Because when I was a child, I dreamed to become a flight attendant. And now that I'm near into my dream, I want to show to people that our culture and country are beautiful, not only here in the Philippines, but in the whole world. Thank you.
So, September, which country would you want to visit in the future?
I want Germany.
Okay, so I hope you get to visit Germany sometime. So thank you, candidate number 1. Now,
Thank you. And now we call on number 2, Charmy Lumag. Good evening, Charmy. Alright. So, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm actually feeling nervous and at the same time excited about the upcoming result.
Alright, that's good. So, here's my question. What's keeping you busy?
I am actually a working student.
Okay, so what's your work and also your course? Maybe you can share it with us.
I am currently a call center representative at Sutherland Global and at the same time a student, a fourth-year student from Holy Angel University, taking up the course of Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay, so I see that you're juggling a lot of things right now, but how does it feel to be working and studying at the same time?
Actually, it's really hard being a working student. It's difficult to manage doing two things at the same time. But the best part of it is not earning money to spend for my studies, but being able to help my family in terms of our financial status. And aside from that, I was able to be an inspiration for others, especially those persons who are in the same position as where I am right now. Because I am a person who can divert every situation which will come on my way. That would be all from me.
so next we call on Mutya number 3, Pia Cristel Yuma. So how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good.
You have any supporters tonight?
Yes, hi.
Say hi. Okay, so you're an only child, right?
Yes.
So how does it feel like being the only child?
Being an only child is tough, but at the same time, it teaches me on how to be responsible enough and how to be independent.
So if ever, would you want to have a sibling in the future?
I wish to.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mutya number 3.
This time we call on number 4, Maureen Kim Teresio. Good evening, Maureen.
Good evening.
Alright, so are you a student right now?
Yes, I am.
Yes, Maureen is actually taking up BS Physical Therapy. So what year level will you be this coming school year?
I would be a second year.
So what for you is physical therapy? Can you at least share with us some of your
I
thoughts?
think physical therapy is a course that embodies perseverance and compassion to other people. And that's why I chose that course, because I believe that with perseverance and God by my side, I can conquer anything, even this pageant.
Alright, thank you very much for your insight.
So now let's call on our next batch of girls, starting with Mutya number 5, Joan Ruiz Peralta. So Joan here enjoys singing, swimming, and reading books. But among those 3, which one is your most favorite?
Which one of these? Which of the most I like it? Singing. Although dalawa ay important, singing, I can express myself, my feelings, and my thoughts.
So can you hear a line or 2 from your favorite song?
Many nights with rain, with no proof anyone can. Not so hopeless, we barely understood.
That was so nice, Mutya number 5. Thank you again.
And now let's call on number 6, Sheena Marie Guya. Good evening, Sheena. So how are you feeling tonight that you're here in Mutya Athens?
Well, I feel good right now.
Alright, that's good. So we learned that you are into a lot of things like working and studying. That's true, right? Okay, so can you share us how do you balance your time with all those stuff?
Being a working student, honestly, is a very hard task for me. Especially that I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, which is said that one of the hardest courses that we have right now. But one of the things that I've learned in my course is that everything should be balanced. And right now, I'm applying everything that I've learned in my course. I'm trying my best to manage and balance my time for my studies, my time for my family and friends, my time for work, my time for God, and my time in achieving for my goals. And lastly, I know it's hard, but I believe everything will be worth it.
Thank you very much. That was very good.
Now we call on Mutya number 7, Jeneline Macapagal. So Jeneline, from what barangay are you?
From Barangay Pandan,
So how does it feel representing your own barangay?
well, it's so great because those people who live in our barangay are so very supportive and they are united by one.
So do you want to give a shout out to all of those watching?
Hello.
Okay, well thank you so much, Mutya number 7.
Thank you. And now we call up again number 8, Ariana Gaza. Good evening, Ariana.
Good evening.
Okay, so how do you feel that so far you have bagged numerous awards in the competition?
Well, I do feel really great.
Congratulations. So Ariana loves joining various competitions. So what competitions have you joined in the past?
Pageants, singing, dancing.
Dancing. Alright, so why do you love joining these competitions?
Well, aside from the fact that I love performing, I think it is one of my ways to entertain other people, to make other people happy, to make other people be inspired. And I think it is also one of my ways to make my family proud and of course to thank God. Because I don't know, but whenever I share my talents and capabilities with other people, it's as if God's telling me, wow, my child, thank you for acknowledging me and appreciating everything that I've given you.
Alright, thank you very much, Ariana. Very awesome.
Thank you girls. Now let's welcome the next batch of Mutya hopefuls. Starting off with Mutya number 9, Pamela Joy Ramos. So Pamela, how are you feeling now?
I'm so excited.
Excited. So I heard you love reading books.
Yes, I am.
Which book has influenced you the most?
The book that influenced me the most is the Bible.
The Bible. So can you share to us your favorite verse?
It says in Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10, do not be afraid for I am with you. Do not be discouraged for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you in my victorious right hand. That's why I know my God is here and He is proud for me. Thank you.
That is really inspiring. Thank you, candidate number 9.
And next we call Mutya number 8, Aliana Wina Isip. So good evening, Aliana.
Good evening.
Would you like to say hi to your supporters tonight who are here?
Hi to my family and friends out there.
Alright, so Aliana sets her dreams for herself. What career do you want to pursue in the future?
Since I'm an accounting graduate, I would like to become a successful certified public accountant. And to be specific, I would like to be in the field of audit, which I know entails a tough job.
Yes, but if you say that it's a tough job, so how do you pursue that?
Because I believe that career will continue to challenge me, and through it, I will have endless opportunities to learn more and improve my craft.
Alright, so I wish you good luck with that. Thank you very much.
Now we call on Mutya number 11, Heidi Len Sanchez. So Heidi, you're studying dentistry.
Yes, I am.
So where do you study?
I'm studying at Central Escolar University.
Okay, so I believe that dentistry is similar to medicine because you need to specialize in a certain area. So what area of specialization do you want to push through in the future?
When I become a dentist, I would like to specialize oral surgery, focusing on maxillofacial, which helps
which helps patients suffering from cleft palate or what we call dingon in Tagalog, because it's self-fulfilling for me to help them, give them beautiful smile as well.
Oh, thank you so much. I hope that comes true.
Alright, now we call on piano number 12, Shane Calameros. Good evening, Shane. Alright, so far, can you tell us your favorite part of the event so far?
The production number is my favorite part because that's enjoyable.
Alright, so Shane here is a member of her school's dance troupe. How do you balance your time being a performer and a student, Shane?
Being a performer and being a student is not that easy. We need to balance our time, and that's what I do. I also set my priorities right, and I make sure that I excel in both ways. And I know that if you love what we do, you can never go wrong.
Okay, that's very true. Thank you very much.
So thank you, girls. And can we call on now on stage the next batch? Starting with Bunyana number 13, Jasmine Doka. So Jasmine here is a goal-oriented person. Can you tell us a goal that you set for yourself?
One thing main goal that I've set for my future is to finish education, because it is the key on having a better future, and it is the most important and precious gift that my parents had given to me. That's why I'm giving importance to education to have a better future. That would be all.
So you just finished high school, right?
Yes.
So what specific course are you gonna take as you enter college?
I will take business management.
Okay, thank you so much. Candidate number 19.
This time we call on number 14, Maria Elena Jose. Good evening. Okay, so may I ask you, is this your first pageant?
No.
Okay, so what is the most recent pageant that you joined?
I joined Piano Pilipinas 2013.
Okay, so what do you think are the experiences that you've learned in Mutiana Pilipinas that you have applied here in our pageant?
You know what? I learned to step out from my comfort zone, and that helps me to eliminate all of my anxiety and all of my fears that I'm having sometimes. And you know, I've learned a lot from that experience, even though I didn't make it, even though I didn't able to bring home the crown here in Angeles City. It was fine. No bitterness and no regrets. Because you know, if I had any mistakes, then we use those mistakes as my pattern so I can have a straighter line with what I have drawn last time. Thank you.
Thank you very much and good luck tonight, Elena.
Now we call on Mutiana number 15, Regina Sanchez. Regina's into modeling. So what does modeling give you?
Actually, I have a very low self-esteem, even though I have joined different types of contests before. And when I started modeling, it increased my confidence. And whenever I show up on stage, it fulfills something in me. And I know that this is what I want to be and what I want to do.
So where have you modeled now? Like in shows? What kind of shows?
I have joined fashion show on malls and work with the local designers here in Angeles.
Okay, thank you. I hope you continue your modeling career.
Thank you.
Okay, next up we call on Mutiana number 16, Zara Joy Guevara. Hello, Zara. Okay, how are you feeling tonight?
Happy and nervous.
Okay, so Zara loves to go on adventures. So what adventures have you ventured in?
Adventures like camping, hiking, and traveling.
Okay, so why do you love to go on these ventures?
Because I do believe that every adventure that I am involved in, I will learn a lot. Appreciate the real meaning of life and witness the real beauty of our nature.
Okay, thank you very much once again, Zara.
Once again, let's give our hand to our lovely girls, and we now welcome the last set of girls for our casual interview. Starting off with Mutiana number 17, Maria Cristina. Christina here studies psychology. Why did you choose such course?
I took up psychology choose because someday I want to be like them. Psychiatrists will give advice for those people who have a mental, emotional, and behavioral disorder. And I will promote positivity among people and also dwell more positive attitudes. Thank you.
So positivity, what is your positive advice to everyone watching you?
Enjoy the rest of the day.
And I'm sure that they will. Thank you, Mutya number 17.
Thank you. And now we call Mutya number 18, Adrian Camille Concepcion. Hello, Camille. Hello. Okay, so Camille, you're loves to sing. Where has your singing talent brought you so far?
Well, my singing talent brought me to so many competitions, and now I'm joining the most prestigious competition in my city.
Okay, so what kind of genres are you into?
I'm into pop and ballad.
Okay, so can you share with us your live song, perhaps?
There are times I find it hard to sleep at night. We are living through such troubled times.
Okay, thank you very much, Adrian.
Last but not the least, let's call on Mutya number 19, Miriam Hippolito. Miriam here is an academic scholar of the city government. Being one, how do you value education?
Well, as a scholar, I value education by giving importance to my studies. Because for me, being a true scholar doesn't just stop on having excellent grades, but it is about having a good heart, a good mind, and of course, a good personality. That's all, and thank you so much.
Thank you.